Today I am discussing about how to solve 6x4 and 4x6 matrix in fx-991MS calculator. For 6x4 and 4x6 I am taking axisymmetric triangular element. Stiffness matrix K equal to 2 pi r into A B transpose matrix into D matrix into B matrix. Here B transpose matrix in 6x4 and D matrix in 4x4, D matrix in 4x6. First multiply D matrix and B matrix. We get in 4x6. Then we multiply B transpose matrix into B into D matrix. We get K matrix equal to 6x6. First multiply D matrix and B matrix. D value in 4x4 and B value in 4x6. First divide the D matrix into 2, then divide the column of B, divide into 2 and take it as A1, A2, B1, C1. Then again divide the D matrix row into 2, same B matrix row divided into 2 and take it as A3, A4, B2, C2. Now take the calculator. Enter the mode 3 times. Mat will be display. Enter 2 for matrix. Then enter shift 4. Matrix will open. Now enter the value of A1, B1, C1 in dim 1 option. If any mistake, use edit option. First multiply A1 into B1. Mark the values. Then A1 into C1. Then enter the value of A3 in A1. Now multiply A3 into B1. Then A3 into C1. Get the values. Now enter the value of A2, B2, C2. Now multiply A2 into B2 and they get the values and add with A1 into B1. Now multiply A2 into C2. Add the values with A1 into C1. Now multiply the A4 value into B2 and A4 value into C2. Now you get the value of B matrix into D matrix. Final value we get in 4 cross 6. Next we move to multiply B transverse matrix into D into B matrix. B transverse matrix value 6 cross 4 and D into B matrix in 4 cross 6. First divide the B transverse matrix into 2, then DB matrix divided into 2. Take it as A1, A2, B1, C1. Then B transverse matrix row divided into 2 and DB matrix row divided into 2 and take it as A3, A4, B2, C2. Now enter the values of A1, B1, C1. First multiply A1 into B1, get the values, then multiply A1 into C1. Now enter the values of A3 in A1. Multiply A3 into B1. Note on the values. Then multiply A3 into C1. Now enter the values of A2, B2, C2. Then multiply A2 into B2, get the value, add with A1 into B1. And A2 into C2, multiply A2 into C2, get the values and add with A1 into C1. Now enter the values of A4 in A2 and multiply A4 into B2, get the values and add with A3 into B1 and multiply A4 into C2 and get the values and add with A3 into C1. Get the values. Thank you.